Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Modelliste. This channel is all about the art of basic pattern making, the easiest methods you can try at home. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple basic bodice women's clothing pattern. For example, we use the size S with measurement of bust 84 cm, waist 66 cm, and bodice length 39 cm. First, we start by drawing a box. For the width, we divide the bust measurement by 2. For example, 84 cm divided by 2 equals 42 cm. The body length is from size measurement for about 39 cm. Then, draw a center line using this formula. Bust minus 10 cm, so 84 minus 10 equals 74 cm. Then divide by 6 and add 7. That gives us 19.33 cm, and we mark it as shown in the illustration. This line is a height from neckline to armhole point. Next, divide the vertical line in half to find the bust point and bust center. Draw a line in the middle part. This is useful to divide between front bodice and backside bodice. Next part, for the backside body width, use the formula. Bust minus 10 cm equals 74 cm, divided by 6 plus 4.5 cm equals 16.83 cm. Draw the line like the illustration. For the front side body width equals bust minus 10 cm divided by 6 plus 3 cm equals 15.33 cm. Draw the line again, follow the illustration. Next we need to determine the back side of neck part width by using this formula. Bust minus 10 cm, 74 cm, divided by 20, plus 2.7 cm equals 6.7 cm. Mark and make the line. To determine neck height, divide the neck width 6.7 cm to 3 parts. It's around 2.23 cm each. I put the notes as hashtag and its symbol. That's the base for the back neckline. By following the mark, we shape it using a ruler with a built-in curve, like a French curve ruler, to make it easier. Draw the neckline curve for the center back. Next, we draw the back side of shoulder point, mark 2.23 cm down from the square line like the illustration. And mark again 2 cm to the right. This is the base of the back side shoulder point. Always remember the shoulder point is always longer than the front side shoulder part. By following the mark, start to draw the shoulder line of this back side bodice. Now, from the shoulder tip, divide the line down to the armhole in half and sketch accordingly. This is the guide mark to make a nice curve for armhole part. Mark the curve to shape the back armhole easily. And then, from the backside armhole, move 0.7 cm to the left and mark the bottom waistline 2 cm inward. Draw the new backside seam. The backside inward is helping to make curve of woman body beautifully. Next part, add reference points to help draw the back armhole curve. Take half the distance between shoulder tip and the new armhole point, then raise it 0.5 cm at a 45 degrees angle. Mark this part for armhole curve. Now you can sketch the full back armhole curve like the illustration. The back bodice part has been done and we will continue to the front part. Front body. For the front neckline width, use the same width from backside neckline point, 6.7 cm, and extend it 1 cm downward, total 7.7 cm for the height of front neckline. This is based on the back neck width. Draw a square line like the illustration. Next, mark a helper point to make a front neckline curve by divide into half at 3.35 cm, half of the front neck width. Then mark the point at a 45 degrees angle. For the neck shoulder point, mark the lower part by 0.5 cm so the front neckline isn't too high and make a good fitting as shown in the illustration. After that, draw the curve by following the mark point of the front bodice neckline. The front neckline is finished now. Next part, for the front shoulder line, subtract 2 cm from the back shoulder width equals 10.9 cm. The shoulder of front bodice always shorter than the back side of bodice. From the mark point is down around 4.46 cm. This number is using the back side bodice neckline point 2.23 cm. The helper point here is 4.46 cm, 2 by 2.23 cm. After we have the mark, draw the shoulder line of the front side of bodice, measure with 10.9 cm from neck point. Follow the illustration. Next part, we will mark a bust point of the front bodice. First, draw a line and divide it by half from the width of center front side to armhole width part. After that, mark from the bust center line, shift left 0.7 cm, this the new line to mark bust point of the bodice, and then go down another 4 cm to mark the dart or bust point. The bust point is very important location for making darts manipulation to make new pattern. Next part, to shape the front armhole. Measure the back side of half-width armhole ease. Mark with a 45 degrees guideline similar to the back armhole. This the mark of armhole curve point of front bodice. Draw the front armhole curve using the guideline, like the illustration. Now the armhole front side of bodice has done. The front side armhole is always smaller than the back side of bodice. I will teach how to change the armhole measurement in the other video. The last part, we need to extend the front bodice length for this pattern. Use the front neckline width measurement divided by half is around 3.35 centimeters. And extend the length 3.35 centimeters down at the front center side, draw the line. Last part, draw the new waist part line of this front bodice. Just follow the illustration and clean all the helping lines and basic bodice pattern is ready to use. And there you go, now you have your basic bodice pattern finished, without having to drape into mannequin. This pattern can be adapted into various styles. For example, you can use it to create dresses or other designs by modifying the pattern. You can also make new basic bodice pattern by using your own measurement or for clients, customer. Thank you so much for watching. You can visit us on Instagram at Modelliste Pattern and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Modelliste. Your support helps us to create more videos. See you in the next one.